are you gonna say? It's Heather's birthday today.
It's this lady's birthday.
It's this lady's birthday.
This lady.
We're gonna go have an adventure on an island. We're taking a boat. We're leaving soon. We're gonna go see some cool stuff. We had a little bit of an adventure getting here. We couldn't find a cab or an Uber. Had to wake up a cab driver to get here just in time to get our tickets.
He was super kind.
He was like,
Yeah, he was really nice. All right, we're gonna get on that boat.
She said she doesn't have her sea legs. Where are we?
What's that called? Jurassic Park?
Yeah.
They have quite a few bikes. I think we're good.
Yeah, and they're little ones too. I think. And is that too big?
no, this is perfect size for me.
You gonna get a kid's bike?
This one.
Does it fit you?
It might be. Is it too small?
Whatever. If you're comfortable with it. The kids are gone. Heading out.
My heart is happy. Oh, there's the old tree.
We're riding out to this olive tree. Supposedly one of the oldest olive trees in the world. So according to carbon dating analysis, this olive tree is over 1,600 years old, which is pretty cool. We're approaching some ruins of some sort.
Those are pretty ruins.
Don't fall in.
I won't.
It's interesting. They're Roman baths
Ooh,
from the 1st to 6th century.
Roman baths, girls.
Girls, these are 1,400 to 2,000 years old. The water's so clear. This way to the safari.
I'm so excited.
And the dinosaurs.
This way.
See what we can see. It's a really pretty church.
A zebra and a horse. What? Oh my goodness, where are we at?
What are we doing? Where are we entering? The gates opened and we came through to the safari area. There's some horses up here.
They said ostrich,
Ostrich,
zebra.
Zebra?
zebra.
Do you see any zebras? Ostrich!
Oh, zebra, please come here. Please come here. Come here. Please, please, please.
Don't freak it out.
I'll be cool. I'll be cool. Oh my goodness. Come here. Come here, puppy. Come here.
It's so tiny.
Zebra? Zebra?
It's a little puppy zebra.
Zebra?
It's a baby zebra.
Come here, puppy.
He's like, nope.
Please. It's my birthday. Hey. Come
I
here.
know.
Come here. Oh my goodness. Hi, buddy. Hi. Yeah. Thank you. You're so beautiful. I love
The
you.
zebra just let her pet it.
I love you. Oh my goodness.
Looks like the footprints are all over the place. Searching for footprints.
It's very distinct.
Small but distinct.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, right here. That's not one. This
Oh look at this one.
Oh wow. You go on that rock.
And then it went into the water.
Apparently this three-toed carnivorous dinosaur walked these shores. It said in like the Cretaceous period. It's cool. There's a lot of, apparently there's footprints all up and down
Oh wow.
the island.
But you can tell because of the layers. Like, it probably wasn't always like this.
Oh yeah, you think it was peeled back a little bit? Like
Maybe.
eroded?
Yeah.
Took our lunch break with these guys. Decided to hang out with us.
Probably the best lunch ever.
Birthday lunch with the zebras.
We had PB&J again, but it was worth it.
We had good company.
Yes.
Yeah, it was a really good day, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It was amazing. Like the best birthday I think I've ever had in my whole life.
The island was gorgeous.
Oh my goodness. Layla, what was your favorite part? Yeah.
Petting the zebra,
Yes. There were zebras.
Yeah, that was cool.
ostriches, and emus. I like ostriches.
Reindeer.
Oh my god. Just the natural beauty was insane. It was so
I
great.
liked riding the bikes too. My favorite part was the bikes. We got to ride around in town.
Yes, the bikes were really
Fun
really
and
amazing.
It was a good
tiring.
touch.
And I fell like 4 times, and I got a really bad scrape on my knee. Fun time.
She's fine.
She's fine.
It's amazing.
It was really, really, really beautiful. And there were some Roman ruins, some old buildings.
Oh, and the
churches,
dinosaurs.
Obviously.
What?
Dinosaur footprints, like real ones.
The kids thought it was fake. They were like, I'm like, why aren't you over here freaking out? Because they were ready to go. And Emerson's like, it's not real. I was like, yes,
Yes, it is.
they are.
But yeah, it was really cool.
Really good day. No, no, you face, babe. You face. Come stand next to me. Yes, and does that look good? Daddy, I want the zebra.
That horse just tooted.